It's on my forehead. To be honest, I'm okay. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Sooo poshytix spray. This is a Nigerian brand and I really do love their lip glosses. I quickly did my makeup off camera. I'm actually running late. I am going for a tour. I'm in Cologne, by the way. So this city spray is said to be a multi-purpose barrier mist for protection over your face and body makeup. It is lightweight, and when you spray it on your face, it gives you an invisible protective feel, which prolongs the life of your makeup and protects your skin from extreme influences. Guarantees you a zero transfer to your clothes and other surfaces. So the reason why I'm recording this video is because I want to test the transferability to see if it's going to transfer on this paper towels that I have here. So makeup is done. I haven't used any setting spray whatsoever. Now I'm going to make mist my face. So first thing I'm going to do is to shake. Guys, I'm super late. Now let's go. I went heavy-handed, to be honest. You can see a bit of shine on my forehead. Now I don't even have a mirror. But upon application, this feels like I sprayed glue. Not in a bad way. It's just that I know it's heavy, so it didn't feel like how a normal setting spray would feel on my face. Like I said, it feels like glue because now my neck area is quite like I feel something there. All right. I want to just touch a bit here because I feel like the spray did not get to this side. It smells nice, but don't breathe this in, okay? I'm waiting for this to dry down quick. I can definitely tell that there's something on my face. I'm waiting for it to dry quickly. And I have this paper towel right here. We're going to test this real quick. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait a while for it to like set. So I think, hold on, I have to do this one more time. Okay. There's no transfer. Let me do this one more time. Let me do my forehead. Trust me, see? I'm really placing this on my forehead. To be honest, I'm okay. Like, there's actually nothing. I know that the light is not making you see this well, but there is nothing. Let's see how long this would keep my makeup throughout the day. The time right now is 10:45 a.m. and I'm heading out now, so I'll do a weird test. This will be long, so see you guys in 2 check-ins. I think that'll be good. I'm not sure what time, but I'll show you guys my face and tell you the time, and we will round up the video. Let's go. Okay, so guys, it's currently 4:54 p.m. I don't know why my wristwatch is just doing this, but this is what my face looks like. My brows are somehow, but my makeup is still intact. I don't know how many hours it is now. I think I applied this around the setting spray around 10 something thereabouts. So now is 4:54 p.m. So let's see how this goes and I'll keep you guys updated. Hi guys, I'm super tired. The time right now is 10 p.m. So I've had this on for over 11 hours and I would say that my makeup is intact. The first use, when it did not transfer after spraying, mwah. But right now I feel like if I blot my face, this will definitely transfer. I will still do it so you guys will know, can see. So I want to try blotting my face because I haven't done any blotting throughout today. Also, my makeup moved a bit because I went for mini golf, so I had to wear glasses and that made this area lift. So for blotting, I have this very clear tissue paper here, like not used. I'll focus on my forehead because that part has not moved in any way. So let's see if it's still going to transfer. And I'm pressing this really hard. So there's transfer. I feel like this is expected, right? Because I have had good wear throughout the day. So if you spray it at first, there's no single transfer, but throughout the day, come on. This is fair in my opinion. And I think you'd see a bit of movement now because of this blotting that I've done. But for 11 hours, not bad. Like, not bad at all. So like I said, see, this is more transfer. Here, moved a bit. Aside that, totally fine. Like, I'm very impressed. I feel like this is something you wear in summer.
So you guys have seen me wear this product throughout the day, and now I want to share with you guys what I think about it. In terms of how it feels on the skin, you'd know that there is a product on your face. It's not disturbing, but you know that your face is secure. Also, another thing that occurred is that I feel like this product is sticky, and I'll explain. Stickiness occurs around the neck area for me, or occurred around my neck area, because when I sprayed it like so, a little got around this area, and because I have like a ring neck or like a round neck, when I bend down like so and look up, my rings kind of like stick together, and throughout the day I had to like always adjust it. Also, this mist reminds me so much of the Got2b Glue styling spray. How do I know this? I have previously used the Got2b styling spray around this area of my body because I didn't want my body makeup to move as at that time, so it reminds me so much of it. So in terms of the finish, this gives me that protective layer that it claims to give. While watching me, you notice that after I sprayed it, there was a glow on my forehead and some other areas, and it's a glow that is not greasy. Then when I put on or used the paper towel on my forehead and took it out, it was still there. So that protective layer is going to be there throughout the day. So expect that. In terms of fragrance, this smells like coconut. Really do like how it smells. One advice I have for you is that when you're spraying this, be in somewhere that is ventilated, that's spacious, and also when spraying, do not inhale. Normally with sprays, I always say spray from afar. It's also on the packaging that says spray 7 inches away from your face. Do it in circular motion. So in terms of transfer, this is not going to move. Like, your makeup is going to be in place. But depending on how many hours you have your makeup on, it could transfer. Let me explain. So I had mine for over 10 hours. My makeup was intact. I could see the shine, but I did not blot. If you could get like 8 hours and no transfer, then this is a good product in my opinion, because most brands will not hold you that long. I highly recommend that you pick up this product. I haven't tried any mist like this, so I'm excited for it, and I'm also proud of the brand for such a wonderful product. So this Lucky Mist comes in 3 sizes: 75 ml, 150 and 350. I do have it in 2 sizes. Here is 150 and here is 350. So good job, Sooo Cosmetics, amazing. Guys, pick it up. They have a website and they ship globally. If you're not getting this from them directly, because they do have retailers, always make sure you look out for this QR code to scan to be sure that it's authentic, because I heard that some people were imitating the product. So yeah, brands face a lot. So check out for that. That's pretty much it for this feature. I hope you found it helpful. If you do or did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button basically. Share this video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching and have a good day.